In this video, we are going to see the must-know interview questions in Ruby. What is Ruby programming language? Ruby is a dynamic, reflective, general-purpose, open-source programming language that focuses on simplicity and productivity. Ruby is designed to create a new language which makes a balance with the functionality of imperative languages, that is, other dominative languages, programming languages in the market. List some features of Ruby. Ruby has many features. Some of them are object-oriented, flexible, dynamic typing. Dynamic typing in the sense the data type of the variables are checked at runtime. That is, for example, a variable can be a string of a string data type in the first part, and in the last part of the program it can be an integer data type. So that is data type checking is done at runtime. That is called as dynamic typing. And garbage collector, and then the keyword arguments. This keyword arguments is explained here, where the normal positional instantiation, the arguments are passed as values. That is, simply they are passed as values. But in keyword arguments instantiation, here it is specified that for which variable the argument is passed. For make, then the value canyon is passed, frame size as 178 is passed. So the developers in the future, they may identify for which variable the particular argument is passed. So this increases the readability and it's simple. So this feature is in Ruby. Then write the command to get a Ruby version installed in your system. That is, the command is ruby space -p. Name some operators used in Ruby. The operators are symbols which are used to perform different operations: unary operator, arithmetic operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, ternary operator. And what are class libraries in Ruby? Ruby class libraries contain variety of domains such as a thread, programming, data types, etc. Following is a list of domains which has relevant class libraries. First is text processing, CGI programming, then network programming, GUI programming, and that is XML programming. What is Ruby Gems in Ruby programming language? This Ruby Gems provides a standard format for distributing Ruby programs and libraries. It works as a package manager for the Ruby programming language. And next question is, what are Ruby variables? These hold data which can be used later in the program. Each variable acts as a memory and each variable has a different name. There are 4 types of variables in Ruby: local variables, class variable, instance variable, and global variable. Then what are nil and false keywords in Ruby? Nil usually indicates no value or unknown value, and false represents the Boolean false, that is true or false, that represents not true. What is the use of load and recur in Ruby? In Ruby, recur method, these are load and recur methods. This recur method reads and passes files only once when they were referenced for the first time. But this load reads and passes files every time you call load. Subscribe to my channel if you feel contented.